morning, y'all. I'm at the Merv Griffin Estates. I've already done half this delivery. This is one you definitely want to get a waiver signed, even in a job site like this. Really expensive houses, so just better just to get your waivers done and out of the way before you can start the job. But I'll show you the second half of this delivery. This is only half of the guy's backyard. You're not going to see the other half of the pool, but these houses are very expensive. I don't know if you guys know who Merv Griffin is, but big TV guy. And this is his, I guess, neighborhood you would call it. So he's got his big mansion here somewhere. But here we go. Here's the delivery on this. We'll finish this up. So I've already delivered the 2 stacks of OSB. Let me back you up here. Alright. Pool's on the left side of the house. This side of the house, I don't know if he's doing like looks like a covered patio thing, but you know, these kind of things up here are what we're looking out for. And then obviously when you're driving over any kind of paved driveways or paver driveways, you want to have that waiver also. And then especially when you're going into a yard, like we are right now, we're going to get that waiver signed. So right now I'm going off of the pavers onto the soft sand, so I'm going to lock my differentials. I'm going to creep down. I don't want those pavers right off the sand to move if possible. And then as you can see, we have to go along air conditioning and pool equipment and stuff. So. Do you want this stacked right next to it, or do you want it back a ways? Does it matter? Okay. So I got a tricky corner here. I got a tree, and I got the foundation to my left. I got to make this turn, and I'm on a slant hill. Is that good, or do you want it flush? That's okay? Alright, so we're going to back out of here nice and easy, watching this foundation. Now the nice thing is I just followed my tire tracks, so I look behind me. Back on the pavers, take the lock off. And I'm backing up, looking left, right, up and down. Don't want to clip the roof. Don't want to go off the edge. There we go. Alright, clear out of here. And now the last one we're going to be setting on the foundation. Now you never want to drive up on a new foundation. You want to just set the product on it. So I'll get to the edge, and then we will lower the stabilizers and then boom out and then drop right on the foundation. Do not drive on new foundations. Even with the waiver sign, just don't do it. It's just better not to. Just because you have a waiver sign doesn't mean you're not going to have a headache. Just remember that, guys. They can still fight with your company, and you know, still gotta be smart about things, and decisions have to be reasonable still. So I'm not sure how wide this gate is, but I have plenty of room on my left. I'm just gonna go up and over just to be safe. I'm clear down. I'm gonna lock my differentials coming onto the dirt. Make sure I'm tilted back all the way in, all the way down. Again, watching the utilities on my left, the air conditioning, the pool supplies. And with the soft sand, you just creep because you can get some wiggle and bad skier on soft sand. Should I move that lumber, or I need to put my stabilizers down? I'm not going to drive up there. I'm just going to put my stabilizers right before the concrete. There we go. Are you good with that, or you want me to slide it a little bit? Good enough. Call it. All right. Now you're gonna have more lumber coming. That's all that can fit on this truck.
Okay.
So I think you had special order lumber still to come.
Okay. Will that come today yet? Or?
I don't work for Home Depot. I'm a contractor, so I just know that there was more stuff there with your name on it.
Okay.
So you might want to give them a holler and ask them what the plan is for the rest of it, because I don't know exactly what the what you ordered. They don't give me your full order, because some stuff can come on box trucks, some stuff can come on flatbeds, you know, some stuff can come in the car if it's like parts. So and that's the reason behind the pictures.
Sure.
It records every delivery by date and time, so you'll have what you got recorded. Every time somebody shows up, they should be taking pictures for you. Okay? So I got you covered on your lumber here, and then your lumber over there. And then you got the computer at the Home Depot can zoom in and count it if they have to. Alright? Well, you're all set with me. I'm going to submit this, and then you can give them a call and ask them about the special order stuff. And that's it.
No, it's just
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Alright. No problem. The special order might be a little trickier, but it'll be all right. Okay. Hopefully it's me. We'll just have to go up and over the gate, and then you should be fine from there. All right. Thank you. So, what I like about soft sand is you just follow your tire tracks. It makes it really easy to back up. So I just unlocked my differential, clear through the gate. Just gotta clear the corner of the house. I'll clear up, clear down. And I got no traffic. That's it. Alright guys, that's it for the Merv Griffin Estates. Just remember, get that waiver signed. These multi-million dollar homes, even if it's an easy drop, go ahead and go get that signature. Because if you're going to get a a claim or something, it's going to be at a place like this, even for like tire tracks or something small. I'm just hate to say it, but the more expensive the house, the pickier the people tend to be. So cover yourself, guys. All right, I'll check you on the next one. If you're new, go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this, and give me a like if you can, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.